Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Lumion 10. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and in this video tutorial I am going to teach you about precipitation in Lumion. So how we can create precipitation like rainy season and foggy season and snowy season. So now today I am going to teach you about this. So this is a scene of a urban area and there is a small restaurant design. So this is bright sunny day, so I am going to my photo here, and if I am going to click on to this photo, you can see this is our overcast condition, and you can add effect from here also. So you can choose realistic, interior, night, daytime also, dawn also, overcast. So I have selected overcast condition here, and you can select from this real sky, and if you click this style effect of real sky, you can click on this sky image, and these all are overcast sky. You can select any of these, like this one grays, and you can do this kind of settings, and you can change this heading brightness and overall brightness. So you can change any of the sky. So I will select this one, and now after this I am going to this add effect, and I will select this, and in this you can see this fog is already in use, and so we are required to go and select this button here, precipitation, and we can double click this, and you can see it has changed to some rainy season here. So if you see this button here, this is for rain and snow. So if you will start moving this from left to right, you can see the phase of rain and snow. So if I am going to start increasing, you can see it is changing to snowy, and if you will start decreasing, it will come to rainy season. So you can do this setting. So as per your preference, you can do this increasing and decreasing of rain and snow. So I will leave onto this, and this is the precipitation phase. So how much rain is covering, you can do this with this arrow. So if you will start, it will be the starting phase of the rain, and if you will go in middle, it will show some reflection of the water here. You can see this one, and if you will start increasing, it will see dryness. So after rain is getting over, it will show the dryness. So I will leave it into the middle. So I want some reflection here. So next is particle quantity, how much quantity of this raindrops if you want. So you can start increasing and decreasing. So I will increase bit, and you can also change the particle size from here. So this droplet size will change, and how much is blocked by plants and trees, you can do this setting from here. So you can also start increasing and decreasing as per your scene. So now I am going to blocking distance also, you can define. So how much distance is getting blocked, you can start defining from this blocking distance. So now this is for extra for addition, and this is the block bias. So extra fog addition, if you want, you can see the changes in the sky, and you can add extra fog if you want, and this is the block bias, that also you can use, but I will leave for this. And now if I am going to render this, you can see I will reduce some this fog so that you can view the reflection here. And now if I am going to render this scene, you can see this effect. So you can render this, and if you will see this rendering, I will show you. I have already rendered this. So if I am going to show you the rendering, you can see this is the rendering scene which we have created using this. So some droplets you can see, and you can also adjust with the particle size if you want. And if you want to create movie also, we can do this effect. And if I'm going to create movie of this clip, so I'm going to click on movie clip here, and you can see this is also bright sunny day. So we'll do the same thing. So I'm going to my effect button here, and I will go to sky, and I will change this to sky and clouds, and I will go to this custom style first, and then I will make it overcast here. So now it is overcast, and then we'll go to add effect, and we'll select this one again, weather, and we'll select this precipitation effect, and you can see the precipitation effect is going on, you can see. And you can render this scene, and it will be having some rainy or foggy season, or you can also show snowy season using this precipitation effect here. You are required to go to add effect, and then you are required to select this precipitation. So hope you have liked this tutorial. So this was the tutorial for the tutorial session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Lumion 10. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.